Most videos about AI talk about what might be possible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build real digital products using AI step by step.
No hype, no shortcuts, just a clear, practical system you can actually use. If you're a business owner, manager, or creator, this video can save you months of trial and error. Digital products are powerful because you build them once, and they can create value again and again. No inventory, no shipping, no physical limits. Generative AI didn't invent digital products, it removed friction from the entire process. What used to take weeks now takes days. What used to need a team now needs a system.
Most people fail here. They start with tools instead of problems.
Strong digital products solve specific, repeatable pain points. Proven digital product types, practical guides and playbooks, templates Notion, Excel, Canva, prompt libraries, mini courses, SOPs and internal systems, toolkits for teams or freelancers. Rule number 1. If the problem is clear, the product becomes obvious.
AI is extremely powerful for research if you ask the right questions.
Tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini gives idea expansion, Google Trends gives demand signals, YouTube comments, Reddit gives real pain points. Ask questions like, what do small businesses struggle with every week? What systems do managers keep rebuilding from scratch? You're not guessing, you're observing patterns at scale.
Never ask AI to just write the product. Start with structure.
Example structure. 1. Problem overview. 2. Why current solutions fail. 3. Step-by-step framework. 4. Tools and examples. 5. Common mistakes. 6. Action checklist. Once the structure is solid, AI becomes an accelerator, not a risk.
Let me give you a real example.
I built a digital operational guide for small teams, something managers kept asking for internally. Process: I used AI to outline the structure, generated a first draft, edited it with real business experience, designed it simply using templates. The goal wasn't perfection. The goal was clarity and usefulness. This product didn't require a big launch, but it became a reusable asset, shared internally and externally. That's the power of digital products with AI. They scale knowledge, not ours. This is where speed comes in, but judgment still matters. Practical tools: ChatGPT, Claude gives first drafts, Notion AI gives organize and refine, Grammarly gives clarity, Canva gives visual layout. Important rule: AI writes faster, humans decide better. Edit aggressively, remove fluff, focus on usefulness. Your product doesn't need fancy design, it needs clarity. Simple tools: Canva for guides and templates, Notion for systems and dashboards, Google Docs, slides for clean delivery. Clear beats beautiful, always. Most failures happen here. Don't launch blindly. Validation process: share a preview with 5 to 10 people, collect feedback, improve based on real usage. You're not looking for perfection. You're looking for confirmation. You don't need a complex setup. Simple platforms: Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy digital products, your own website. Start simple, improve later. Distribution matters more than complexity. Avoid these mistakes: over-automating everything, copy-pasting AI output, ignoring feedback, building without a clear audience. AI amplifies strategy, it does not replace it. This approach works especially well if you are a business manager, a consultant, a company leader, a creator building scalable income. Digital products allow you to scale knowledge, not ours. If this video helped you, save it or share it with someone building a business or managing a team. And tell me in the comments, what digital product would you build using AI? I'll break down real examples in future videos.